to talk about a little bit more what my thoughts are on what Bitcoin is, and also the current state of the precious metals market. The cryptocurrency side, I've been involved with Bitcoin for some years, since 2013, and got a little more involved with it when I moved to the Czech Republic a few years ago with my wife. Bitcoin to me is like the ultimate stock out there. If it's going to go into a bubble, well, think of the potential this bubble can get into. We have a global market all buying this one stock. You know, the potential is massive, but then you really look at Bitcoin has use. I've used Bitcoin in Prague, paying for office space, paying for a coffee in real life uses. So I see that there is an actual use for it. It's not going to replace gold and silver, but I think it has a real competition against fiat currencies, the US dollar, the euro, and so on. It took some time as others started following the investment advice I was putting out there. I started off investing in precious metals as a teenager. My parents, having come from a communist country, from Czechoslovakia, they taught me a lot about the monetary system, to always question things, question everything. But as far as money goes, they recognize that money can lose its value and disappear very quickly, and that gold and silver have a historical precedent to retain value. So I got more involved in precious metals at an early age and into investing into mining stocks. So I learned from an early age from some of the industry experts what to look for in investing. So as I applied those things into my own investments, I started to have some very good success, and then it translated into sharing those ideas with others. 2018, I think we start to look at the precious metals stocks starting to move higher. The precious metals themselves, especially gold, has had a pretty good last few years. It's moved off its bottom near 1,000 now. We're around 1,250 to 1,300 and had almost hit 1,400. I see a lot of value and a lot of opportunities in the mining stocks. I know there's a lot of rage of other sectors and Bitcoin, all that, but I think the precious metals have a very good opportunity in the coming year or two to provide some really good returns in the mining stocks. We'll leverage that for you. My passion for starting Gold Seek and Silver Seek was to educate others, to provide a platform for opinions to be discussed that mainstream media was not allowing for. You know, I have a big desire for truth, to whether it's understanding the monetary system, the truths behind the monetary system, or the financial system. So I hope that I have been able to influence others to think differently in that regard. You know, I hope that the sites are helping others to think differently and question these things.